Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Semantic Scholar Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to automatically collect structured academic paper data from Semantic Scholar. This is useful for literature reviews, research analysis, and academic intelligence without any manual searching. This actor lets you search Semantic Scholar and extract detailed info about academic papers. You can collect titles, abstracts, TLDR summaries, authors, citation counts, publication details, open access status, PDF links, DOIs, and more. It's designed for researchers, students, analysts, and anyone working with academic literature at scale. So, how does it work? To get started, you can choose one of two approaches. You either paste a URL based on a search query you already did, or you can use a search query-based scraping. You can optionally filter by publication year range, for example, only papers from 2020 to 2024, and there's also a PDF filter if you only want papers that have an open access PDF available. This is the fastest way to build a clean academic dataset without manually browsing results. You can also add author names or publication venues. These are treated as suggestions by the API and not strict filters, so results may still include relevant papers that don't match them exactly. In this example, I'm searching for machine learning papers published between 2020 and 2024 and only including papers with available PDFs and a maximum number of 20 articles. Once everything is configured, you can start the actor or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. And now, we'll let the actor cook up its magic. When the run finishes after just a couple of seconds, each paper appears as a clean dataset record. You'll see the title, abstract, TLDR summary, authors with affiliations, citation counts, open access status, PDF links, DOI, and external IDs. You can export this data as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. This is ideal for spreadsheets, BI tools, or research pipelines. This scraper is ideal for automating academic research and saving hours of manual searching. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.